Hi guys, hi YouTube family. Hope you're all doing well. So welcome back to another video, and this I'm dropping bangers on bangers on bangers, guys, for you guys. And the love you've shown me on my last video, oh my god, that's crazy. Actually, I did not expect that love. I'm really appreciative. Thank you guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and all the good stuff, so that we can get into the video, guys. Come guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do squash butternut soup, or my butternut squash soup. Wait, squash soup. I know you can get it, guys. Butternut squash soup, butternut squash, whatever, guys. I know you get the concept. And in these whatever the what? Oh my god, my cameraman is so distracting. Anyway, as I'm saying is the soup that I want to show you guys how to make it so easy, and it has no timing, as in you can eat it at any time, be it in the morning, lunchtime, evening, umeamka katikati ya usiku, you can eat it at any time, and it's so easy to make. So guys, and also, if you've ever gone to the fine dining restaurants, this is served as a starter. So guys, I'm showing you things that you've never seen. Come guys, let me show you the ingredients. So guys, here are our ingredients. You need one diced onion one. If you have the white one, the better. You need garlic and ginger. You see guys, I've cut mine in big chunks. Don't worry about it because we are going to blend. I've used 6 cloves of garlic because I'm using one squash. You see, I've diced it into big chunks. And then you're going to need a pinch of black pepper. You're going to need some salt, some royco. If you have cubes, it's okay. And then you're going to use some milk. Here's the tip, guys. If you have cooking cream, if you have the heavy cream, you can do you can fancy it around, and it's still going to give you the same results. And then of course guys, you'll need a blender because we need it to be smooth. I'm going to show you guys as we go on. So our first step is to heat the spoon. So guys, our first step, you're going to add in the onion. No, this one you're going to add it in later, mama. I'm going to show you. Okay. Now guys, you have to cook your onion. You have to cook your onion right. Even vizuri. Wait to cook well. You're going to add in this one baadaye. Wait. Wait. Water. This is garlic and ginger. Yes. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Yes.
No.
We are cooking the onion first.
No.
Don't add that one. Wait. No, not now. Wait, we cook this one. That's garlic. Wait, I'm going to tell you something. And then we add in our garlic and ginger. In this step, we're going to add in some. I only eyeball my spices, so a pinch of the black pepper. If you want to use a spoon, it's a teaspoon, the small one. And then we add in our royco. Some royco. And then we add in some salt. Good job. Make sure that you don't burn your garlic and ginger so that your soup, let me say it closer. Make sure you don't burn your garlic and ginger so that the soup should not be with a sour taste. Kaukale fulani. Now we are waiting for the garlic and the ginger to cook and the onion. Take this one and add it in. This one. Add in some water. Now the goal is to let this butternut cook till it's tender, ile kabisa, until it's mashed.
Hi guys.
Say hi guys.
Yeah.
Say hi guys. Why he's smiling? I guess you're so excited about this vlogging than me. Say hi guys. Hi guys. No, look there at the camera. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Hello.
We are cooking. Another vlog. Yay.
Yay.
So tell them see you in 20 minutes. and our butternut is cooked. You see guys how it looks nice. Now we're going to add everything in. Go and play the ball. We're going to add everything in, even the big chunks of garlic and ginger. And make sure you don't blend while it's hot. As is warm. And then here comes the interesting part: you add in your milk. This is cold milk. Baby. And then guys, you blend. So guys, if you have some dania, or what is it called, cilantro, you can add it here in and top up it in. And now it's time to test our soup. I can't wait. See how guys it's thick. If you have buns, if you have bread, you can eat with it. Perfect. It's soft. How should I say it? It's soft. It's smooth. Yani, that's the word. It's smooth. It's creamy. It's yummy. It has all the flavors in it. So guys, make sure you try it. Tag me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, try it and make sure you tag me, guys, and tell me how you liked it. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you for the love. Let's continue with the same spirit, guys.